Hello and welcome 11 Commerce students. Today in this business studies class, I will discuss about industry, the other part of the first chapter, that is the nature and purpose of business, the first chapter of business studies. So the other part means previously I have discussed about business and its various features, and then I have discussed about commerce in the other class, what is commerce and what are the hindrances removed with the help of commerce. But today in this class I will focus in industry. Now what is the definition of industry? Industry include all those processes through which goods are produced by the application of, here goods are produced. It is a place where goods are produced with the application of human and mechanical power, with the application of human and mechanical power, where goods are produced with the application of human and mechanical power and make them fit for consumption. Now making them fit for consumption means creating utility. Industry is the place where utility is created. Making utility or creating utility. It makes utility creation means making produced goods fit for consumption. So now fabrication of parts, breeding of animals, then processing of materials, all these, or construction of road even, all these are done by industry. All these functions are done by industry. So industry, it is also a place of economic activity. It is a place which deals with production of goods, and also it is a place where utility is created. That means here in this place a good is transformed into a material which is fit for consumption of the buyer. Now this is what industry is. It helps in effective mobilization of resources. It helps in effective mobilization or use of resources. Also along with that, it also helps in expansion of trade and commerce. It creates the export potentiality. It helps in agricultural development. It is the main yardstick of measuring the economic progress in the country. If industry is developing well, that means economically the country is progressing. So this is the function and these are the activities of an industry. It is the main unit. There are various types of industry. Micro industry is there, small, medium, large scale. Various types of industry are there. As per the investment, the type of the industry is selected. If it is having a very low investment of capital, that is capital contribution is very low, maybe less than 25 lakh, then it is a micro unit. Then beyond that it is a small unit, then medium unit, and if it is having heavy investment, it is called a large scale industry. So various types of industries are there based on their capital contribution or the investment. Now we come to the different types of industry. There are three main categories in which industry can be classified. So that classification I will tell you one by one. First, if we classify the industry, if we can make a broad classification of the industry, then we can see there are three types of industries. First one being primary industry. So primary industry is the first type of industry which comes in the category of classification of industry. So primary industry is the first type of industry. Now primary industries includes all those activities which are concerned with extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living or livestock or species. So it deals with extraction of natural resources. So we can also tell that agriculture is a part of this primary industry. We can also call agriculture as the part of primary industry. So this is primary industry. Among these, genetic industries are also there, extractive industries are also there. Genetic and extractive industries are part of this. Genetic as well as extractive industries are part of this primary industry. Genetic industry deals with the livestock, the cattle rearing, the breeding of animals, and extractive industry deals with forestry or mining, coal extraction, petroleum. All these are part of primary industry. Now we come to the second part, that is secondary industry. Primary industry is over. Now we come to, I am rubbing the board to tell you about the secondary industry. Now we come to secondary industry. Just the next part of primary, the second category is this. Secondary industry is the next category of industry, of classification of industry. So let's see what are these secondary industries. Secondary industries are concerned with processing of materials. Processing of materials, for example, manufacturing industries, any construction industries where consumer goods as well as industrial goods are produced. Those type of things will come under the secondary industries. So secondary industry will deal with construction industry, manufacturing industry, manufacturing and construction industry, construction of roads, bridges, flyovers, all these are done. These are also part of industry. So these things will come under the secondary industry. The making of cloth, oil, soap, bread, sugar, the sugar mills, the oil mills, all these will come under the manufacturing unit. It will come under this secondary industry. Now we come to analytical and synthetical industry will also come over here. That is production of cement, limestone, all will come under synthetical industry. Analytical industry, processing industry is also there. For example, extraction of juice from the sugar cane or conversion of oil seeds to oil. All these analytical industry, process, all these are processing industries. All these will come under analytical, processing, manufacturing, all these will come under the secondary industry. And now we eventually come in the third category. Third category deals with tertiary industries. Tertiary industries. I have also to tell you that assembling is also a part of the secondary industry. Assembling of manufactured goods, for example, watches, televisions, all the mobile phones, all the electronic gadgets, production and assembling computers even. So assembling of these parts comes under assembling industry, which is a part of secondary industry. Now we come to the last part, that is tertiary industry. And tertiary industry deals with providing services which facilitate a smooth flow of goods and services. For example, it does not deals with production, it deals with services. Services means banking, transport, insurance, warehousing, advertising. Banking, insurance, transportation, warehousing, and advertisement. All these services are part of tertiary industry. It does not deals with the production. It deals with providing of smooth services to every consumer. So this is the broad classification of industry. So today's class I have discussed the whole part of industry. I hope you have understood. With this I end the class over here, and hope we will meet in the next video with some next topic. Till then, goodbye.